Hello, Homesteaders. How's it going? Over the years, we've been able to deal with a whole bunch of pests on the homestead. From elk to deer to rodents to coyotes. But one thing we haven't been able to handle are these crazy ants. I don't know about where you live, but where we live, once they find a spot, they just absolutely take over and they destroy entire crops. We certainly don't want to spray any chemicals in our garden, but we found a little secret. Rather than repel them, we go ahead and just invite them to dinner. It works really well, and we'd like to show you how it works. We start off with about a quarter cup of water, and then we go straight to just a little bit of table sugar. It's important to start with the sugar first and not use the same spoon for the next ingredients, which is borax. We add about the same amount, maybe slightly less of borax, and we very slowly add it to the mixture and ultimately stir it in. And what we're left with is a syrup that the ants just can't resist. They eat it and it poisons them a few hours later. If you're in a really hot climate, you might want to add some extra water because it evaporates pretty fast. And that's why we use this silver container. I add a few spoonfuls in, and then I put the lid on, and it's ready to serve. Next, I'm just going to place the drink bar right where I've seen the ants in the past and invite them to come drink. Once they pick up the scent, they'll spend all day and all night just drinking their heart's content, till their demise. The draw of the water and the sugar are so powerful that they just ignore all the other plants and only drink the borax mix. And if you got any left over, you can always put it in other places where you've had problems with ants, like this tree that usually has them crawling up and down like crazy. I just dump it on there and the tree thanks me.
Thank you very much.
Yes! That's awesome!